CPhI brand has been there in the industry for 30 years. It's predominantly an event that has been focused on small molecule. What we're trying to do with bioLIVE is build a new event that is focused more on bioprocessing and manufacturing. And what we think we can do uniquely is bring small and large molecule together under one roof to learn and to interact with each other. Exhibitors at bioLIVE have an opportunity to meet 45,000 trade professionals in the small molecule world. Some of the main topics in the industry are around efficiency gain, how to improve production processes, how to deal with challenges around bioproduction and manufacturing. And those elements we are going to showcase during bioLIVE by providing a platform within the larger CPhI where we provide something unique for all of the industries.